Page 250, remainder review. Number 1 says Julia spilled ketchup on her paper and can't see part of the problem anymore. So her problem is Martha had blank beads. She wanted to make 7 bracelets. How many will go on each bracelet? Now for this problem, we want to look at, we know the opposite of division is multiplication. So if we take this divisor and multiply it by the quotient, so we do 7 times 3 equals 21, and then we add the remainder, plus 2 equals 23. So whenever you're trying to figure out maybe a missing number in a division problem or a multiplication problem, do the opposite. Multiplication and division are inverse operations, meaning they undo each other. So our answer is 23. 23 divided by 7 is 3 remainder 2. Okay, B. What does a remainder of 2 mean in this problem? This means that there are 2 beads left over. Okay, number 2. Each of the division problems below includes a remainder. Solve each and show your work. Figure out the best way to treat the remainder for each one, as a whole number, as a fraction, or as a decimal. So if we look at A, it says Rachel earned $46 for walking dogs Monday through Friday last week. If she earned the same amount every day, how much did she earn per day? So for this one, we're working with money, so we have decimals. So we're going to divide $46 divided by 5 days. So if we want to figure out each day how much she earned, that's why we're dividing it by 5 total days. So 5 can go into 46 9 times. 5 times 9. I'm going to put this up here, and also I'm going to put the decimal. Whenever you're dividing decimal or money, $46, the decimal goes right above it in the problem. You can put that in right away. So 5 times 9 is 45. Okay, we subtract. We have 1. After we subtract, we know we have to bring down 10. 5 can go into 10 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. I'm going to run out of room here. 0. We bring the 0 down, so 5 can't go into 0, so 5 times 0 is 0. So your answer then is $9.20. So if you look over here, the way we wrote this problem, $46, so 46 decimal 0, 0. And then we just work through it like a normal long division problem. Always put your decimal mark right above it. Okay, you can do that right away. All right. So each day she earned $9.20. B. Bryson bought 27 balloons to share with 3 friends. How many does each of the 4 children get? Okay, so for this one, we're dividing 27 divided by 4. So 4 can go into 27 6 times without going over, because 4 times 6 is 24. So we subtract 24 from 27. So 7 minus 4 is 3. We have a remainder of 3. There's just 3 balloons left over, so 6 remainder 3. Or if you want to say how many does each of the 4 friends get, they would get a total of 6. Okay. C. Ropes come in 16-foot lengths at the hardware store. Jorge bought 1 rope and then cut it into 3 equal-sized pieces. How long was each of the 3 pieces? So then we take 16 as our total, divided by 3. Okay, so 3 can go into 16 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. We subtract 16 minus 15. We have 1. Now this is our remainder, but we're talking about length. Okay, so if we think about length and what we use to measure lengths and what they have on them, we would turn this into a fraction. So 5, the quotient, is our whole number. 1, the remainder, is our numerator. And then 3, the divisor, is our denominator. So 5 1/3 feet. So this one you would change